Alright, we're going to solder these two pieces of copper together. This is for like a transformer type of assembly. We want to make sure that we get the oxides off the copper so we get some good solder adhesion. This has been done once, but we'll hit it again just to be sure. Now we're going to come over here and get a little bit of flux. Not going to take too much. Just get a nice little coating of it on there. We're going to take this piece of solder. This is in a ribbon form. Put these together. Sandwich those. This will make getting the solder into the joint a little bit easier. Okay. Put this up here in the vise. Have to hold that together. Okay. We're going to resistance solder this. I'm not sure if you can see in the front here or not, but that's what we're trying to show you is the solder in the front.
This is the heavy-duty plumbing system.
Yes, 10577. You see we've got good wetting all the way across there. We know that it should have flowed backwards, so that should be a really nice joint.